Hello and welcome to KingTech Coding Clinic once again. And in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can convert PDF document into Word. Okay, so sometimes you might want to do some editing stuffs and then you can't do that in PDF. You would have to first of all convert it into Word. There are some platforms, online platforms, where you can do that, but I'm going to show you how you can do that offline in a very simple way. It's very simple. Okay, now let's delve right into that. But please, if this is the first time you're visiting this channel, consider subscribing to the channel. You press the bell icon so that I get notified anytime we upload new videos like this. Let's delve right into that. You can see I have 3 PDF files here, okay, with different contents in each. Let me just open them for you to see. Let me open the first one, which is let's see. Perfect. So you can see that this document has been scanned. Okay, it has been scanned. It's a examination question that has been scanned. So sometimes it's very difficult to convert files like this into Word. Okay, but we are going to do that. It's very easy to do. Let me show you the second one, which is another examination question, which has been scanned as well. So you can see this one as well. So it's difficult. We can't do any editing unless we convert it into Word before we can do whatever we want to do with it. And then the third one is also the now PDF, also another reports template. And I'm going to show you how you can convert all this into Word. Okay, the common software we all know is what we are going to use to do this. Now, to get this up and running very easily, just go here and type Word. You should have Microsoft Office installed and open or launch Word. That is Microsoft Office Word, and just open a clean document. So once you are done, the next thing you want to do is to go to File, then you go to Open. So with Open, you go to Browse, and then quickly you navigate to where your PDF files are. In my case, I have them on the desktop. So I'm going to start with the now file. Okay, this is it, now-1.pdf. So I'm going to select this and then click Open. So let's see what's going to happen. So they are prompting me, Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document, blah blah blah. Yes, and that is exactly what we want. So you would have to click on OK. So this will convert it to Word. So you can see that the PDF has just been converted to Word. It's as easy as anything can be. So from here you can do editing stuff. You can add whatever you would want to add. You can remove whatever you would want to remove. So let's say I would want to remove this. I'm going to go ahead and remove it. You can see that very simple. Whatever you would want to change, you can do the changes. Whatever you would want to add, you can do the addition and subtraction or whatever. So that is that. We are done converting the first one. So let's check. So this is the one we have just converted, the now PDF. So now let's go for the Office PDF file. So the same procedure, just go to File, then we go to Open, then we go to Browse. Okay, so we locate the Office document. So just click on that, just click on Open. That's what's going to happen. You just click on Yes, and this should also be converted to Word. It's been converted. You can check at the bottom here, converting Office.pdf. It's been converted. It's taking time. There we go. You can see that this document has also been converted to Word. It's a scannable document that has been converted to Word. Okay, you can add, you can delete, you can do whatever you would want to do. See, very simple and easy stuffs here. Let's go for the third file. So now we've converted the Office. This is the now, then this is the Office, this is the Office. So now we go for the third file, which is the Prof Dunka file. Okay, let's go to Browse again. Let's locate it here and then click Open. Then we click OK to accept that, because that is exactly what we want. So there we go. You can see that this one is also converted. We can remove this heading and then you can do whatever changes you would want to do. See, that is very easy to do, right? Very easy. You can convert for a PDF to Word. So basically that is that for this video. If you like the video, please smash the like button and then subscribe to the channel so that it gets notified anytime we upload videos like this. So you can do whatever changes you would want to do and save your work. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.